Now on this project, we're going to take this particular door that's underneath where the oven would have been, but it has this one door under here. It has this panel in place. We've removed this panel, and what we're going to do, not sure how we're going to do it, but we're going to move that piece of wood you see right there. We're going to move that back further and give you more room. We may put a drawer in here, but I'm going to see what we can do with that just to give us more room, because the way it was, we weren't getting much room at all, and it was kind of at a weird angle. Didn't really like the way it was. On this lower drawer, or this lower storage project that we're working on, we've already removed the white panel that used to be in place right here. And you'll notice that we have about 4 inches before it even hits the ductwork back there. So our plan is, originally I thought about putting a drawer here or something, but maybe I'll do that in the future. But our plan here, I think, is going to be to just remove this and move it back 3 to 4 inches. Probably back even with the front of this ledge here where it ends right there. And then we're going to put another panel up and keep stuff from falling in behind all that mechanical stuff. But we're also going to make it where we can unscrew it real easy to remove it if we need to get access to that stuff. So that's going to give us a lot more room in this area without too much work. And we'll still have easy access to things. Okay, you'll see where I moved that board there. I moved it back it's about 4 to 5 inches back. That's much more I'm going to gain in here. And because I used that paneling board on one of my other projects, I had to make me my own board. And this is some dry eraser board that I cut. So I cut that 24 inches by 8 high. And what I'm going to do is use the 2 screws to put it in. That way I can take those screws out if I need to get into that area. Well, that pretty much finishes up this project here. We've made this a lot deeper in here. And I'm hoping to be able to put my pans up underneath there. We've gained about 3 to 4 inches all the way back. And you can kind of look over and see there's some pipes. Well, I can't really see too much in there, but that helps out pretty good. Let's close up. And that pretty much finishes up that project. And if you all have any ways that you may have done that on your unit, leave that in the comments how you might have done that. And if you have any questions on this project, leave that in the comments as well. And we'll check on you and see you next time on another one of these RV shorts.